made it. There she is. All ceramic coated up. Man, she looks good. Anyways, today's mission. Got my nephew over here to help out. A couple things we gotta do. We're gonna fix the leak at the valve cover. Probably just get some nice silicone to put on there. Get all the gaps taken care of with them awesome cork gaskets. Fix the radio so it doesn't stay on constantly. We got a transmission leak still underneath here with the cooler. Not sure what's going on there, if it is the line or if it is the actual cooler. And what else? We've got the drive shaft we've got to grind down a little bit, I think, because it sits a little far back in the tunnel. But we're gonna make a parts run, and then we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get it up here on the lift, get underneath of it, and see how much clearance we got. Stay tuned, we'll be riding soon. Dang, exhaust got oil all over it. Filter got a little drip on it. Oil pan's got some sparkles. But here's the main thing. We need to get up in there and do some grinding. And it looks like we're probably gonna have to take the drive shaft out because we ain't getting nothing up in there. Let me see if I can turn the light on. There you go. So if you see, right up in there, she catches, I think, just a little bit. So we'll get in there and we'll grind off the side of them U-bolts there and clearance. See that right there? That's what I mean. I don't know why I can't stand that. There ain't one thing on this car that's original. Not one. And yet this dude wants to leave tape. That's where it came from the factory. Jeez. I'll show you some other stuff later, but there's some paint marks and stuff in places that, well, you know, like that. Can't really see it, but there you go. Now you can see it. I like that. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Don't know what that's about. Oh, look, more tape. More tape. Oh, yeah, it's good cut out. Yeah, yeah. Don't get me wrong, my man did an amazing job. This thing is phenomenal. I ain't hating on nobody. But damn, bro. There ain't nothing original on it. Alright, enough griping. Me and the cousin nephew are gonna get in the car. We're gonna head to the parts store, get some parts. We'll be back, get this stuff fixed up, and then we going for a ride. Do a burnout. We just gotta drive far away so my sister can't hear it. We'll be back. Alright, here's our parts store trip. Check out this pimp filter I got. Hopefully it fits. Check out the pimp filter I got.
What?
That pimp filter right there. Hopefully it fits.
I don't know if you were. Oh, that's pretty cool looking.
It'll look better than that chromy one.
Yeah, I agree.
And then some gaskets, some sealers, some octane booster.
I already have one of those.
I didn't know what you had, and they're only like $5. So cool. We'll get to it. Try and put the sealer on the old valve covers first, and then work our way through everything. But we're gonna eat. I'm hungry. We'll be back.
Keep that video rolling.
Oh,
Take a shot of
we
the
got
sausage.
the sausages.
You've never
Let's
seen
check
a
out.
foot-long sausage.
Oh, I don't know. I was born in 19,
Yeah, true. In the year of the foot-long hot dog.
That's right. What's a red hot? We were trying to figure out what's a red hot. Is that a hot dog? Oh my goodness! Look at that thing. What? We didn't get that big of buns.
You didn't? Damn.
No.
You have to
Holy smokes.
back to back.
Okay, we'll see you in a minute. We're gonna eat. Somehow. That thing.
Look at Buster.
Well, we've already failed on the air cleaner. It's too thick. Don't work. Damn it. So I guess we're gonna get the valve covers off, get them resealed, and back on while we do the work on the rest of the car. Here we go. Got a little silicone on there, boys. Shoo! Wonder if she's got enough up in there. Alright. Alright, let's get the covers off. See what's up in there. Well, that looks like that could have been our first problem. Right there. It was definitely leaking from that side pretty good. And that gasket is completely wet. Let's go see what the engine looks like. Let's go check it out. Let's just scratch the car real quick. Alright. Ooh, look at there. That's special stuff, I think, or something. Got that brake-in oil still in there. So yeah, we'll get that all cleaned up. Put a little more silicone, a little in there. And get her back together, and hopefully this time it'll seal. I got some studs for it with some bolts to go on there instead of bolts and nuts instead of the Phillips. Yeah, in a quick second she'll be back together. Alright, there we go. We got the studs in on the heads. My nephew went to get some brake clean because, can you believe it, all that stuff, and I forgot to get brake clean so I could clean the surfaces. So I think I'm going to put it up now and address the transmission leak real quick while he's doing that, because it'll take him a minute. And then maybe put some of the sealer stuff on the old valve covers so they can set up a minute. But we're getting there. We didn't even have to take nothing apart, just had to move the radiator hose to get her out. So those will go back on, and we'll get on to the next thing. Alright, well, we're all up under it, and we're wiping off oil everywhere. Still not sure if it's just coming from the valve cover, probably the back corner, because it's pretty crappy coming down, but our transmission leak, I just kind of wiped it up, and we're going to check it out because I really don't want to pull that and have a bunch of tranny fluid all over and have to put it back in. So yeah, next thing I guess, while Nate's gone, I'll pull this drive shaft and see if we can't grind some edges and get a little more clearance up there. You can see where she's grabbing, so yeah, then we can go for a ride. That's what I want to do, go for a ride. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we got the old drive shaft out. Came out with a little bit of a struggle. And if you can see here, what I'm doing is taking the grinder, because if you notice these marks right here, that's been hitting on the tunnel. Just a little bit, but the more weight we put in the car, the deeper it gets into it. See, just here on the edges. So I'm just going to take the grinder here, knock off these corners, then we'll get up here. Let's go see if we can see it. Get up in here, there's a guard up here in the tunnel, that steel plate right there, and it just barely catches the bottom of that right there where the light's kind of shining on it. So we'll take and maybe try to get a hammer up in there too, but looks like she's sealed good. Looks like everything else is mounted down pretty good. Got old Nate over here cleaning up the valve covers. We're gonna get them resealed. Looks like they're pretty good. I don't know, must be it's because it's only the 4 bolts. I'm wondering if it's always gonna have an issue leaking here in the corners or not. So we might have to look into something to help prevent that, but we're getting there. We're gonna be driving this baby soon. Stay tuned. Alright, there we go. All four corners are no more. No, they're all four rounded. Whoop whoop. I'm gonna slide her back in and see what happens. Alright, drive shaft is back in. And even though you can't see it, there is a little more space up in there. There is a little more. I think that might clear. So we're gonna drop her down, get these valve covers on her, get her warmed up, boy. Try to go for a ride and see if this transmission cooler over here, this piece of crap that they put on off of Amazon, if it's gonna work or not, or drip. I mean, you know, because we need that Amazon to come through to make money. All right, let's drop her down. Valve covers have been sitting for a minute, tacking up. As soon as he gets that lowered, I'm gonna get them on, let them dry for a minute, and then we're gonna go for a ride, boys. All right, all batting back up, boy. Yep, I screwed up. Yep. Can't use the studs on these because this valley's so small. Yeah, they won't take the washer or the nut. So, yeah, that was awesome. So maybe this guy does know what he's doing. Yeah. But, yep, I think it's time to let this sit for a minute. About a celebration stick's worth. And then, get her fired up and heated up and see if the work to the drive shaft, at least I did, fixed it. So stay tuned. We're about to go for a ride. Cold start, 1956 Corvette, about to come. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this bad boy is gonna start or not. Oh my God, get my work over here. Well, we got power. Ooh, almost first try.
little people.
Ooh, our first real drive, maybe?
Where
I
are we
don't
gonna
hear
go?
it making noises.
Me neither.
Let's hope it don't leak oil and stuff too.
Yeah, I'll be curious how the accelerator pedal feels.
Yeah!
Woo!
Oh! Well, still doing it. Still doing
Still
it.
what?
Still
Rubbing?
doing it. I can still
Oh,
hear it.
I just
see it?
heard it, yeah.
Damn, what the hell?
Can we do just a quick loop over by John's house?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do with this?
Nothing.
Look out the back.
Whatever.
Look out the front.
That gas pedal is off the touchy.
Yeah, very. Is it something we can adjust, you think?
Probably. Which way we gotta go?
And then see how it says we're going 50?
Yeah.
Go left, please.
It might work in too as we go.
I think you're right here. Oh, he's not out. Just take a left. He's not out.
Still,
Damn it.
still pretty bad. Doesn't sound like it's. Oh, Jesus.
I notice a lot when you turn a corner. When I was driving it before, it was worse out.
Gotta catch the motorcycles. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, what's that?
That's down there.
In here?
Yep, I think that's the drive shaft and everything hit. Take a video as we drive around.
Anything special you want on there?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hold on just a second.
Here, I can get that side. We're the grandparents. All right, just go easy with them.
No, no, no. Take it. Go. Go. Hey, go outside your front doorstep right now. I need you. Don't tell Kevin. I told you guys. Oh, it was pretty good.
Look at that badass car. That thing is amazing. Yeah, I'll put it back off again. You okay?
Well, it was a disappointing day. We accomplished nothing today.
It's hot.
So we're gonna undo the battery and call it a night. Try it again some other day. Looks like our leaks aren't leaking though. That's pretty good.
Still leaking?
No, it don't look like it.
Well, if you guys want to go to Rosati's, you could ride with Dubs and Reg, and then I can just
You want
drive
me to
you
start?
there.
We
Yeah,
can order.
yeah.
We'll just
Well, cool, folks. We done for the night. These guys are gonna go party.
No.
I'm gonna go drive home.
Rosati's in Tiffany section this week, so.
Well, hope you guys aren't as disappointed as I am, dang it. We'll see you on the next one.